how long have you been in business, and how long have you been coming to the Pumper Show?
Well, technically been in business. Dad bought the business in '58. I've been doing it since I was 16. Well, a lot younger too. I used to go with them, but I've been doing it on my own, like driving since 16. So that's 38 years.
Okay, and how many times have you been to the Pumper Show?
That's a good question. I'm thinking about, I think we've been down there about 12 or 13 times since back in the 90s. So I'm not really sure. I'd have to check my badges.
Right. Now you're based in Mentor, Ohio. That's near Cleveland, isn't it?
About 30 miles east, yes, sir.
Talk to us a little bit about your service territory. Where do you cover?
We do basically three counties. We're licensed in all three, and we do septic tank pumping, and then we also do septic tank inspections for home associations. Lake County requires that, so we, they word of mouth basically, and they get us, and we, do 30 homes or 40. How many is ever in an association is required twice a year, so we go out there and we do our service twice a year, and then I also do home inspections, not a lot, but some, and then but mainly pumping is our probably 75% of the business.
Okay. For the people who are maybe in a more rural area, can you explain what it's like being in a sort of a suburban urban area? Are you further and farther between with your stops and that sort of thing?
What I try to do when I schedule work, I try to schedule, like, say I'll do one person in a certain city, and I'll try to get one right close by, because our trucks are some of the smaller trucks. We have 2,000 gallon jobs, our trucks, and what we do is get them close, because the sewer plant is roughly usually between 4 and 8 miles. We don't have to drive too much, so but I try to still schedule them together, so it just saves on fuel, especially with fuel nowadays. Being up around over 400 or $4 a gallon, it's you do everything you can to save money.
Sure. And so you're getting a lot of transitional things, right? A lot of people going onto the sewer in your area that you cover?
Yes, we do. We are. A lot of cities are hooking up, so it's the last time you're doing the houses, and they are. They're certain, like phase 1 is like, and then phase 2, and then phase 3, and then that whole city's done. So but farther out to go, there's more septic, so there's more associations being built, and it's you lose some, you gain some, so it's actually gaining more than you're losing right now, which is good.
Okay. How many employees do you have?
I have another one, which is my nephew, and I have 2 part-time secretaries. But my nephew does most of the work. I go out once in a while with the big truck, but I do most of the work with the pickup. We do a lot of service, not actually aerators. I'm a distributor for Jet Inc.
Okay.
And I do a lot of service calls for them, and lift pumps. Do a lot of lift pumps, and we basically put a plug in if you want for Zoller. That's what I usually use. Sorry to other guys, but that's what I put in as Zollers. And I've had good luck with them.
Okay. And trucks, do you have one major service truck?
I have two. I bought one in '99. I come down here and got it, and to the show. We bought it from, they're out of business now. And the second one I got is from We Manufacturing, who are at the show here now.
Okay.
And did a heck of a job they did. I have a jetter on it. So we do some jetting too, not a lot. I would like to get more into that, because it's more and more required now. A lot more people are using it. And that was We. And like I said, We has helped us out quite a bit. I'd recommend them to anybody. They treat us very well and very fair.
So you're looking to diversify all the time.
Exactly.
And does the Pumper Show help you in that respect?
It does. It does. It gets me an idea. It gets me a grip. I get to meet people who are doing it, who have done it, and their perspective. And then whether I want to do it or not, like years back, I thought about expanding into the porta potty business, and then I realized that you need quite a few of them to really make a go at it, and I just didn't see it being real profitable at the time unless I would have had a lot of units, and I just couldn't. Our main business is pumping, and I really do enjoy that.
So the Pumper Show itself, you use it to find a lot of different products here, and
Absolutely. It's well worth coming down. I try to come. I'd like to come every year, and probably could, but every other year, that way I get caught up on all the new stuff that's out, and you're surprised at how there's always doing something better, and it really helps out. It saves you money, stuff to save money.
Yeah. Now you've told me, just to wrap things up, you've told me that you come to the expo for the education, you come for seeing all the latest products, but you've also made friends here, haven't you?
I have met a lot of nice friends here. I really do enjoy coming here for, like I said, to catch up, to buy my products, the stuff I need, the hoses and all that stuff, and the classes definitely, because we do need CUs back home, but also friends. I've met a lot of very nice friends, especially even in coal publishing.
Well, that's great to hear. And you have a special person you deal with every year from Texas? Is that it? You get together with someone?
Yes, I get together with my friend Alberto from Corey Industries. He's down here and he does a real good job down here. We get stuff, and a few other people like I've met. The guy from Ron from Varco, and a few other gentlemen. Come here and there, and the Knot Group, and just everybody. Just they're when you meet all the pumpers that are down here, people, everybody is so kind. So it's great the camaraderie is great. It's one big. I feel like one big family, and if you have a problem, the other people answer. And that's what's nice with these sessions. You learn how to solve your problems if you do have them. And I've helped some people too, hopefully, and in 30 plus years experience, it helps.
Okay, well, thanks a lot, Dale, for coming
pleasure.
so many years and talking to us today.
Pleasure. Have a good one.
Thanks.
Thank you.